Because they wouldn't shut up. And I'm like, I have already almost broken up one fight today. I am not feeling like having to do it again, so y'all need to just shut up so we can get through notes. No. All right, so, Mike, come on. They're basically just the inverse function for exponentials, okay? So the first couple things we're just writing are just kind of refreshing our memories on how do logs work, how do I rewrite them in exponential form, all that jazz. All right, can I scroll past the title? Calculator today. People say it really fast. Ellen. They're like, who is this Ellen? It's LN. Slow it down. Okay, I'm going to keep scrolling. Okay. Full window 5 is how you get to log base on the calculator. Yeah, I would write it in your notes. It's important. Panic hits and
But I was like all the way out.
all right, Danica. Natural log is just log base E. Here, give me 1 second. Sound versions. See? Alrighty, so we've got. All right, which side me? Which side do you want to do with your neighbor? Left with me? Okay. So this first E, we have natural log. You need to change it. And it like this. For a lot of kids, when they see ln, they think it's a shift back to log base E. It's helpful. All right. All right. A to the 5th 4. Done. The right 2 with your. Easy peasy. All right. We're going to do 2 of these in the calculator, 2 of them by hand. E to the negative 3 equals x. Now, technically, all 4 of these can be solved by hand. All go into calculator. You hit alpha window. Now, someone pointed out last period, and I did not know this because I had a TI-83 growing up, and it didn't have this, but absolutely is number 1. So I've been doing it the old-fashioned way of going through math. No, it's number 1, and I was like, oh, crap. So it's log base 5, and then it's alpha y equals 125. Okay? You should get negative 3. Easy peasy? All right, cool. Yes, calculator is where it's at, but we can still do this without a calculator. Because you guys remember how mean I was last year and I made you guys do this without a calculator? It wasn't. So, over 20, the 2 on the left with your neighbors real quick. It's so bad. You're going to have to go wash your hands afterwards. Bad. All right, how did those two work out for you? All right, you should have gotten 4 and 4, yes? Cool. It's 4 and 4, yes. Now, this looks scarier than columns. We're going to write everything in. It's going to be okay. I promise. Yeah. Sketching these graphs, so don't try and like make it perfect. All right. Tell me when you guys are ready to start talking about the table. All right. I am mic'd up. I walked out of the classroom one day with the mic still on, and I was nuts. I'm like, dude, I record. It's fine. All right. For an exponent, I'm just sketching. It doesn't have to be perfect. So what are those domains? Negative infinity to positive infinity. But we said logarithms were the inverses of functions, yes? Which means this is now the range. What is the range for an exponential? So this function looks a bit like that. Yeah, it's so this one's got a horizontal asymptote, I equals whatever k is, correct? So what do I know kind of asymptote I have for this one? It's vertical. Vertical asymptote at x equals h. So it flips. Instead of going from k, it goes to h. That's a 0, by the way. Can't take the log of a 0 or a negative number. Yes. Nope. Chipotle is still on. Yeah, we're not committing B from. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's still technically a B and E. It's breaking and entering. It's kind of the point. For the asset tag, it's down at the bottom on the. If you guys happen to see like one of these Chromebooks, just check it out underneath. I just dropped my pen. It should be the 36142. Yeah, round charger. No, because people will come in like while I'm not in my room and just grab it. No, fine. Yep, still missing. So Chipotle is still. No, it could be 4 more kids of mine too. So literally half the school is a farm. G. Preston, got it. Okay.
This morning on my news, I had that. They said he wasn't dead. There was rumors of him dying. He really wasn't dead, but now he really is.
Are you guys ready? What's the easiest one to find the domain of? Last one. I've got an h value, don't I? H equals -3. Guess what my domain is? -3 to infinity. Don't. Yeah. Didn't I just show you where the absolute value? Alpha window number 1. Yep, alpha window. Yeah, there's no 0. Because mine's on a computer with 16 gigs. All right, 0. I cannot take the logarithm of a 0. Negatives 1 are because it's absolute value. Yep. This one would just be x such that x does not. Get off that bookshelf now!
Oh, what are you doing?
No. He's literally recording this right now. Literally, someone just got their ear Ear busted. Type in G of X. No, he's literally on top, started to swing a leg over, and I'm like, let me.
I'll be expecting that.
Yeah, it's just negative 1 to 1. So, exclusive. Fun. Yeah, it's like a little, you know the little cactus toys that they were swear sometimes? And we're going to do an example, and then we're going to write up the last little piece, because it gives me enough time to pass crap out. It buys me some time passing stuff out. Sorry, I yelled. Sorry, I yelled. Into the mic. Yeah, f of negative 1. If you ever need to hear Mrs. Mason's grown-up voice, no, there is definitely that warning. Oh God, oh God, oh God.